Most people spend 3 hours writing what I'm about to show you how to do in 15 minutes. And it's completely free. Look, I get it. You sit down to write an email, a report, even a simple social media post, and suddenly your brain turns to mush. The cursor blinks mockingly while you stare at a blank page for what feels like hours. But what if I told you there's a tool that can tank your writing speed without making you sound like a robot? I've been testing AI writing tools for the past year, and this one specific method has saved me over 200 hours. I'm talking about going from spending entire afternoons on one blog post to cranking out 5 in the same time. And here's the kicker, it's not ChatGPT. Stick around because what I'm about to show you will change how you think about writing forever. The tool is Claude-by-Anthropic, and here's why it's absolutely destroying the competition for writers. First, it actually understands context, not just keywords, but the actual meaning behind what you're trying to say. Second, it doesn't sound like it was written by a robot having a seizure. Let me prove it. I'm going to write a complete product launch email in real time, something that would normally take me 2 hours, and we're going to do it in under 10 minutes. But here's where most people mess up with AI writing, they use it wrong. Comment below if you've ever gotten generic, soulless content from AI. Step 1. Forget about basic prompts. Instead, give Claude the full picture. I start every request with 3 things: my audience, my goal, and my brand voice. Watch this. Instead of saying write an email about our new product, I say write a launch email for fitness entrepreneurs who struggle with consistency. The product is a habit tracking app. Brand voice. Encouraging but direct, like a supportive gym buddy. Look at the difference. One sounds like every other marketing email you delete. The other actually connects. But here's the real secret most tutorials won't tell you. The first output is never your final output. Think of Claude as your writing partner, not your replacement. I take the first draft and say, make this more conversational, or add a personal story element, or shorten this by 30% but keep the impact. This is how you get writing that doesn't just sound human, it sounds like you. Now for the speed hack that changed everything for me. Instead of writing one piece at a time, I batch my prompts. I give Claude my content calendar for the week and say create outlines for all 5 blog posts. Then I take those outlines and turn them into full articles one by one. What used to take me 15 hours now takes 90 minutes. And the quality? Actually better because I'm focusing on strategy instead of staring at blank pages. 3 advanced moves that separate beginners from pros. First, train Claude on your writing style by feeding it examples of your best work. Second, use the conversation memory. Each chat builds on the last, so Claude gets smarter about your preferences. Third, combine multiple content types. Ask for the blog post, the social media hooks, and the email newsletter version all in one conversation. Here's what this actually looks like in practice. Last month alone, I created 20 blog posts, 60 social media posts, 12 email newsletters, and a complete sales page. Total time investment? 8 hours. That's content that would have taken me 40+ hours using traditional methods. But here's what I really want you to understand. This isn't about replacing your creativity. It's about amplifying it. You're still the strategist, the brand voice, the creative director. Claude is just your incredibly fast, incredibly patient assistant who never gets tired. Quick warning, 3 mistakes that will make this backfire. Don't copy-paste without editing. Don't use it for everything. And don't forget to fact-check. Don't copy-paste without editing. Don't use it for everything. And don't forget to fact-check. AI is powerful, but it's not perfect. Your human judgment is what makes the magic happen. Here's my challenge for you. Try this method for the next 48 hours. Pick one piece of content you've been putting off and use Claude to knock it out. Then come back and tell me in the comments how much time you saved. I'm betting it's going to blow your mind. And if you want more AI productivity hacks like this, hit that subscribe button, because next week I'm showing you how to automate your entire content research process. Trust me, you don't want to miss that one.